Revolutionize your cleaning routine with the Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max, an all-in-one wet-dry vacuum cleaner and mop that takes multitasking to the next level. This cordless marvel allows you to vacuum and wash your floors simultaneously, offering a seamless cleaning experience. Join us as we delve into the features that make the Crosswave Cordless Max a game-changer for homes and pet owners alike. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Cordless freedom for unrestricted cleaning. Say goodbye to the limitations of cords and outlets with the Crosswave Cordless Max. Powered by a 36 volts lithium-ion battery, this cleaner provides up to 30 minutes of cordless cleaning power, allowing you to move effortlessly throughout your home without being tethered to an electrical outlet. Experience the freedom to clean without constraints. Versatile vacuum and wash capability. The Crosswave Cordless Max excels at combining floor cleaning chores with the convenience of cordless freedom. No more switching between different tools or dealing with tangled cords. This all-in-one cleaner effortlessly vacuums and washes your floors simultaneously, saving you valuable time and effort. Improved edge cleaning for a spotless home. Designed with improved edge cleaning capabilities, the Crosswave Cordless Max easily tackles pet hair along baseboards and in corners, leaving no mess behind. This enhanced feature ensures a thorough and spotless clean in every corner of your home, making it a must-have for pet owners dealing with those hard-to-reach areas. Wi-Fi connected capabilities for smart cleaning. Take your cleaning experience to the next level with the Crosswave Cordless Max's Wi-Fi connected capabilities. Utilize the Bissell Connect app for helpful alerts, maintenance tracking, and usage tips. Additionally, the app makes formula and accessory reordering a breeze with Amazon Dash replenishment, ensuring you always have the essentials for a clean home. Self-cleaning cycle for easy maintenance. Maintaining your Crosswave Cordless Max is a breeze thanks to the self-cleaning cycle. After each use, the machine undergoes a self-cleaning process that cleans the brush roll and the interior, reducing the post-cleaning cleanup hassle. This thoughtful feature ensures that your machine is ready for action whenever you need it. Multi-surface cleaning for every floor. The Crosswave Cordless Max is a versatile cleaning powerhouse, safe and effective for use on various surfaces, including tile, sealed wood floors, laminate, linoleum, rubber floor mats, pressed wood floors, and more. It even refreshes area rugs, providing a comprehensive cleaning solution for your entire living space. Every purchase supports pet rescue. Beyond its cleaning prowess, every purchase of the Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its noble mission to save homeless pets. By investing in this advanced cleaning tool, you're not only enhancing your home, but also contributing to a cause that helps pets find their forever homes. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max transcends traditional cleaning tools, offering a cordless, versatile, and efficient solution for homes with or without pets. With features like improved edge cleaning, Wi-Fi connected capabilities, and a commitment to pet rescue, this cleaner is a true game changer. Elevate your cleaning routine with the Crosswave Cordless Max, where convenience meets performance. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.